Do you have a habit that you want to break? Habits are things we do when our mind goes into autopilot. This can be efficient for our brains. However, if our habits are not creating positive things in our life or helping us achieve our goals, then they might be hindering our progress. When thinking about what your goal is or what sort of person you want to become, think about the actions you need to take to achieve that goal. Then take a look at your current habits. Habits that are stopping you from achieving your goal might be considered non-productive or bad habits. Habits that are helping you move towards your goal can be considered positive or good habits. Breaking bad habits can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can turn your bad habits into good ones. Here are some top tips for breaking bad habits. Number 1, identify the habit. The first step in breaking a bad habit is to identify what the habit is and why you engage in that habit. Take time to reflect on the habit, when you do it, and the triggers that lead you to do it. Why do you think you started doing this habit in the first place? Knowing what caused this bad habit to start and understanding the triggers for this habit will allow you to start intervening before you engage in that bad habit in the future. Step number 2 is to set a specific goal. Set a specific goal for breaking the bad habit, such as, I want to stop biting my nails by the end of the month. Setting a goal makes it clear for the direction that you are heading towards. Step number 3 is to create a plan. Create a plan for you to break that habit. This can include identifying triggers and finding alternatives to the habit, setting reminders, or seeking support from friends or a therapist. Without a set plan, it can be hard to know what to do and follow through in breaking your bad habits. Step number 4 is to replace the bad habit with a good one. For example, if you want to stop eating too much chocolate, try replacing it with a healthier habit such as going for a walk or eating a piece of fruit. So every time you feel yourself wanting to engage in that bad habit, such as eating chocolate, try to stop yourself there and switch to the good habit. Step number 5 is to be mindful. Practice mindfulness and be aware of the habit as it happens. This will help you notice when you're engaging in the habit and allow you to take action to stop it. Try to reflect each time you notice yourself engaging in the habit. Why did you engage in that habit? Did you try and enact your plan to stop it? Why didn't your plan work? How can you adjust your plan for the next time? Step number 6 is to reward yourself. Reward yourself for making progress in breaking the habit. This will help to keep you motivated and on track. Step number 7 is to be patient. Breaking a bad habit takes time and patience. Remember that setbacks are normal and don't give up when you slip up. Don't beat yourself up if you engage in your bad habit. It's a habit for a reason, and the brain likes to do what it has done in the past because this is the easiest path for it. Instead, use this as an opportunity to refine and improve your plan for breaking the habit. Step number 8 is to seek support. Seek support from friends, family, or a therapist if needed. They can help you stay motivated and provide you with the support you need to break that bad habit. In addition to getting our non-constructive or bad habits under control, we also want to be building good habits that move us towards our goals. Building good habits is a fundamental aspect of personal development and can improve various aspects of your life. Here are some strategies for building good habits. Step number 1 for building good habits is to start small. Habits take time to form, and it's important to start small and gradually build up. Starting with a small and manageable goal will make it more likely that you stick with the habit. If you try something that is too far out of reach for where you are right now, then it's most likely you're going to give up and not form that new habit. Step number 2 is to make it specific. A specific habit is easier to implement and measure than a general one. For example, instead of saying, I want to exercise more, say, I want to go for a 30-minute walk every day at 6 p.m. Step number 3 is to set a consistent schedule. Consistency is key when building habits. Try to schedule the habit at the same time every day. This will make it easier to build the habit into your daily routine. Step number 4 is to make it easy. Make the habit as easy as you can for yourself so that you're more likely to do it. For example, if your new habit is to go for a walk first thing in the morning, get your shoes, clothes, water bottle, all of that ready the night before so you can easily get ready for your walk the next morning. Step number 5 is to remove barriers. Similar to making it easy, try to also remove any barriers or things that make it hard for you to undertake your new habit. Step number 6 is to use a reminder. Use a reminder to help you stay on track. This can be an alarm, a calendar reminder, or even a sticky note. Step number 7 is to track your progress. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and see the progress that you are making in building that new habit. This can be as simple as keeping a journal or using an app to track your habit. Step number 8 is to make it rewarding. Make sure to reward yourself for sticking to your new habit. This can be something small like a tasty treat or something bigger like a new book or movie. Step number 9 is to be patient. Building good habits takes time and patience. Remember that setbacks are normal and don't give up when you slip up. Step number 10 is to find an accountability partner. Find someone who will hold you accountable for building your habit. This can be a friend, family member, or coach. Habits are a powerful tool to help you reach your goals. It's important to remember that breaking a bad habit and creating new ones takes time and effort, but it is possible with the right strategies and mindset. It's also good to be patient with yourself. It's normal to slip up, but don't give up, keep trying, and remember to celebrate the small wins along the way.
If you liked today's video, you'll love my Study Smart course. The Study Smart course takes you through, step by step, how to set yourself up for success through the use of organisational, time management, and general study skills. A link to the course is provided in the description below. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.